Hi, Kaylin.
Hi.
Hi, Steven.
Hi.
Hi, Kylie. Now, does anybody have a special message for Grandma?
I do.
What's your special message?
Kylie has, she writes it for Grandma Martha and Grandma Jones.
Oh. What is your special message, Kylie?
I don't know.
Hi, Kaylin.
Hi.
Hi, Ezekiel.
Hi.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Okay, everybody say bye.
Bye.
Oh.
Say hi, Mia.
Let me zoom in on her. Oh, you can't zoom in. Okay, everybody say bye.
Bye.
Blow kisses. Mwah. Love you.